Willow is an amazing friend for helping us with ecological restoration. Today we're at a 40-acre property in the Coyote Creek watershed to help prevent erosion on a pond bank by planting willows, creating some willow spiling along the bank to hold the bank in place. We're putting these stakes in like right up against where there's bank on one side and water on the other side. Water that is rapidly moving against banks will cause erosion. In some places we actually want that to happen because we want streams to have meanders that slows the streams down and helps the water sink into the ground to recharge the water table. But there's other places where we might see erosion happening that's actually causing damage, and it's not helping the water slow down and may actually be helping the water speed up and leave the landscape faster. So in this case we have waves that come across the pond from wind, and they slam into one side of the pond and wash the soil down. So that makes the pond fill in, so it makes the pond shallower, and it also erodes the soil away from the roots of the plants that are growing on the side of the pond. Planting willows along that bank can help slow that down and hold the soil in place. Spiling is when you take living stems of plants, often willows but not always, and you put them in the ground. And then you take more living stems of usually the same plant and weave them in and out. So you're basically making a